Hi, my name is Clay Cole, and I'm from McLean, Virginia. Here's a little something about my hometown. Some facts about McLean. We're actually home to the CIA, the Central Intelligence Agency. It's pretty cool. It's pretty high security, so you have to be careful when you're in the area. McLean, Virginia is located in Fairfax County, and Fairfax County is an extremely wealthy area, and the zip code 22102 is one of the most expensive zip codes to live in the country. Um, McLean is home to a lot of people that work in the government, so sometimes you'll see some very high-ranking officials, in a local restaurant or something like that. Maybe not the president, but you'll see a lot of senators and whatnot. And this is because of how close it is to Washington, D.C., of course. Some famous people that are from McLean or were born there: Bruce Allen, who's the GM of the Washington Redskins. Um, Newt Gingrich, who is a government official. Clarence Thomas, who serves on the Supreme Court, and also Colin Powell, who was a four-star general. I actually served him communion at a local church, so that's an example of seeing somebody in town. And that's my town.